around here, there's going to be animals everywhere. Okay? See, there's going to be bears. I'm very cold. The civilians need to know what's going on down at the mill. There's bears, there's Sasquatches, there's crocs, I'm telling you, if you see a bear or a Sasquatch or a crocodile, don't you dare say I didn't warn you. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to catch it on this.
Welcome back to the channel. This is Roaming with the Richards. I'm Angelica, this is Jonathan, and we are here today at Carowinds for a very special announcement. So we are going to find out what's in the woods coming in 2027, the brand new record-breaking ride that's coming to Carowinds. Let's go check it out.
Alright guys, so we got our seats here at Harmony Hall, front row for the media event, waiting on the announcement.
And today, we are so excited to continue that tradition. Because once again, we are pushing the boundaries. Once again, we are dreaming big. And once again, we're introducing something that will bring generations together, like only Carowinds can. To officially announce our newest signature attraction. It is my absolute honor to welcome to the stage Bridget Bywater, Carowinds president.
Thank you, Chris, and thank you each and every one of you for being here today. Today's announcement has been in the works for years, and best of all, it stems directly from pass holder and guest feedback. For as long as we've been asking the question, this has been the #1 most requested attraction. Our team took that feedback and supercharged it. This is no normal ride. When it opens in 2027, it will be one of the tallest rides of its kind ever built, breaking 3 world records. Carowinds is no stranger to new rides, innovations, or record breakers. After adding the world's tallest Giga Coaster in 2015, the park has welcomed over 20 new rides and attractions, completed expansions of Carolina Harbor Water Park and Camp Snoopy, introduced 2 new themed areas, County Fair and Aeronautica, and added countless guest enhancements throughout our 400-acre park. That type of growth is unprecedented and a true testament to our team's dedication to our guests and our purpose. Today's announcement is a continuation of that investment as we continue to bring legendary attractions and wholesome fun to the place where the Carolinas come together. For months, guests have been wondering what's in the woods and what's in the crate. Well, the wait is over. Carowinds is proud to announce Rip Roarin Falls. Roarin Falls will be one of the most ambitious attractions in Carowinds history, a true game changer for our park and our industry. When it opens, this one-of-a-kind super flume will tower more than 100 feet, making it one of the tallest water rides ever constructed, and home to the world's first super flume mega drop. In fact, Rip Roarin Falls will break 3 world records for the tallest log flume drop, the tallest reverse drop, and the tallest reverse camelback, delivering a ride experience unlike anything guests have ever seen. But what truly sets this attraction apart isn't just the scale, it's the experience. Guests will board an 8-passenger boat like the one here in front of you and set off a 6-minute, 30-second adventure, traveling more than 2,200 feet through rushing water, dramatic terrain, and unexpected twists around every corner. Along the way, 2 high-speed reversing switches will send riders forward and then backward, creating a dynamic, unpredictable journey that builds suspense with every turn. The ride will culminate in a breathtaking 100-foot plunge, reaching speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, delivering an unforgettable finale and one iconic splashdown. Rip Roarin Falls is themed to an abandoned lumber mill, and as you'll see in the ride's POV, some new residents have moved in. As guests journey through the winding terrain and rushing waters, they'll encounter sights, sounds, and surprises that bring the story and ride to life. This attraction represents the next evolution of the log flume, combining the nostalgia our guests love with cutting-edge design, engineering, and technology to create something entirely new. And perhaps most importantly, it's designed for more families than ever before, with an accessible height requirement that allows more guests to experience these record-breaking thrills together. Construction is already underway, and we cannot wait to welcome guests to experience Rip Roarin Falls when it debuts in 2027.
All right, guys, so you heard it here. The new ride at Carowinds next year is going to be Rip Roarin Falls, name inspired by the old Rip Roarin Rapids, if y'all didn't know. It's going in the same location that used to be, but this is going to break 3 world records, as they said. So it's going to be the tallest drop off of a log flume, the tallest reverse drop, and the tallest reverse camelback, reverse camelback drop. So 3 world records, amazing ride. It's much needed here in the Carolina heat to have this ride where you can cool off and get a nice big splash. So we are going to be going on a construction tour here shortly. We'll show you guys a little bit of behind the scenes and what progress they're making.
Also, let's go check out the ride car because we can actually get a test seat on it.
Yep, go check it out, sit in it.
So the layout of this ride, or the area, we are looking to bring everybody in from Fury. So there's a gate right next to Fury that's got some giant wings on it. That's going to be the main entrance into the area, or the entrance into the area for our guests. You'll come across that. This area right here where these trucks are parked is going to be the main midway coming into this space. And then the queue line, kind of like where this mound is, give or take a few feet. So you'll come in this way, you'll enter in the queue line, go through that, and then the station is actually on the back side of these trees right here. Every tree that you see up, we are doing everything we can to absolutely keep it healthy. There was a lot of trees that did get removed for this project, and we want to keep that foresty feel. So we got a lot of stuff planned to come back in, but this is where we're at right now. On the left, all of the rebar sticking up with the 2x4 lumber on top, that's that final run out. It's actually got a little bit of that concrete core. Over here on the left-hand side, it's built in seconds. So that's where that final drop comes in and splashes down up against that berm. This area right here, that's all formed up as the ride station. You can see the exit right here. That's the end. That's where it's from the transition to the flow. Just up behind that backpack roller, this trail has a
Okay, so the reason we are standing down here in front of Fury and this lovely mural for the ride is that this is where the entrance to the new Rip Roarin Falls is going to run through.
If we heard it right.
If we heard it right, yes. So you'll be going through here, it sounds like, and then entering into the new ride. Okay, so the big focus of our video today is that new ride coming next year, and that was what the media event was for. But they did make a mention about several new things coming to Carowinds, including the Gazillion Bubble Show. So this is going to be coming the weekend of June 13th, 14th, and we got to see this show at Dollywood when they were there. They've been there the last few summers. It's a really great show. It's got like a gazillion bubbles, of course, and your kids will love it, you'll love it. It's a great time. Why are we standing back here in front of The Conjuring? Well, another new thing that's coming to Carowinds this year, something dealing with Carowinds. We don't know what yet. That is another announcement for another day, as Chris put it. But we are excited to see what's coming new to Carowinds this year.
All right, guys, so that's going to do it for us today here at Carowinds. Definitely thank y'all for watching and staying tuned and just liking and following. This gives us an opportunity to do these media events like this. This is definitely the first for us on the construction tour. Really enjoy it. Thank you to Carowinds for inviting us out.
Yes.
If y'all haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and follow us for more.
Thanks for watching.
Later.
To truly understand what makes this ride so special, let's take a ride.